Hey everybody, I just kind of wanted to do this quick overview of Seesaw before we technically had our first professional development session. I just kind of wanted to give an overview of the app, what I use it for, and how to go ahead and sign up for an account. So, of course, what you're going to do, you're going to open up a new tab. You're going to type in Seesaw, click it. When you pull it up, it's going to pull up this screen right here. All you have to do is click sign up free. Any educator, it is free. You can log in, your students can use it for free, everything. So you're just going to hit sign up for free. And of course, you're going to hit I'm a teacher. And then you're going to sign up. So you type your first name, your last name, your email. It could be your school email, your personal email, whatever you want to use for this app. Create a password and then create teacher account. Or you can do teacher sign up with Google, whichever you prefer. It's probably easier just to go ahead and fill this in and sign up. Then, of course, once you've signed up for an account, you're going to go to sign in, and then you're going to enter your email, your password, and it's going to pull up a blank screen. Now, I'm going to go more into depth with what to do when you log in and how you can use it as a teacher the next session we have in person. But I just want you to go ahead and create that account so that you can explore on your own. That way, if you have some questions, I can really answer them the first session we have, as well as if you create an account now, it will save some time later. Now, I like to use Seesaw to hold my students accountable when they are in centers, ELA centers, and math centers. I found it a really good tool for that. And I can check their progress and see where they're at, what they're doing well, and what they're struggling with. I also like it because I can assign individual students something that they may need extra help with. And I can also push those students that are higher with some more challenging work that I might not be able to do in the classroom. So I look forward to seeing you at our first official session. And if you'll just go ahead and create this account, it will be a lot easier the first day. Thank you.